Chef Heather from Asian Inspirations has joined me in the kitchen and I'm very excited about this recipe. What are we making, Heather?
We're making crispy prawn wasabi sando.
I love sandos. Anything crispy with a beautiful, rich, spicy mayonnaise with the soft, pillowy white bread is heaven. And it's just, for me, it's Japanese food, isn't it?
Exactly.
It's like the street food that you want to go and enjoy. Pick it up with two hands, let all the mayonnaise drip out of it. I'm very excited for this. Beautiful.
It's going to be a luxurious sandwich.
Oh my God, I'm very excited.
Easy.
All right, talk us through this, Heather.
We're going to season it with salt.
Beautiful.
And some pepper.
Lovely.
And just to bind it all together,
yep,
some potato starch.
Because you want it to obviously be quite, I hate to use the word gluey, but you do want it to be quite gluey,
yes,
so it's very pasty and it will hold its shape.
Last but not least, my favorite, wasabi.
So the S&B wasabi.
Yes.
So you're getting that beautiful, authentic Japanese flavour with wasabi, you know, and it's so versatile. Like you're using it today to marinate the prawns, and we're going to make the mayonnaise tartare dressing. You can use it in so many different ways with sushi. How much would you like?
Probably about half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Or more, if you like the spicy.
Look, I like it spicy. We'll do roughly that.
It's a flavour enhancer and it's just beautiful, isn't it?
It's just got that nice little gentle peppery touch to it.
It's very elegant spiciness.
Love it. We'll keep that aside. Now, I'll get on to making the mayonnaise as well. And while we're making this, tell me about how you got into cooking, Heather.
I got into cooking because I was doing business and law, but I wasn't very talented for that. And, you know, cooking.
You went a studious soul.
Yes,
yep,
that's right. So,
yep,
and I think I won the lotto because I'm just doing what I love.
I love it. I love it. They say if you do what you love, you don't work a day in your life.
That's right. That's right.
Now, we're going to add some wasabi also into the tartare. Is that correct?
Yes.
Beautiful.
If you could just add as much or as little as you want.
I love wasabi, Heather. So this is a very dangerous job to let me add a whole heap in. So I'll go in with quite a bit and then we can give it a taste. So once this is done, really we need to probably just let the prawns sit and then we can start to crumb it and bring it together, because the whole idea, I guess, of katsu is to make a beautiful crumbed little vessel to sit in that soft bread.
I mean, we're making sando today, but this recipe actually is great for canapes as well. So you can make little patties.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a very elegant dish for a humble but not so humble sandwich.
Beautiful.
Okay? So this is well mixed now.
Beautiful. Should I taste this just to make sure it's okay? If I have to?
That can be a sandwich on its own, I think.
That's so yummy. So Heather, this is the crumbing part. So we've obviously got our flour, the eggs, and then the panko breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do all the dirty work here. I'm going to get my hands nice and dirty for you. So you said you want these in a square shape.
Yes, please.
But you said it's probably easier to actually start them, you know, quite plump.
Exactly.
And then once they come into the crumb, you can flatten them out. Exactly.
That's right.
Now you almost want this to be the same shape as the bread. Is that correct?
Yes.
So that every mouthful almost gets like that beautiful prawn flavour. So I'm going to
if it's easier to do the round, just, you know, world is round. So you can do round.
However it comes out, out, Heather, right? All right, we'll go into the egg. This is the messy job where you can get the kids involved. I just want to be really, really gentle because like Heather said, that prawn is so delicate and soft. So take your time, I think, with this part.
I just make sure the oil.
Beautiful, nice little sizzle. All right, incoming.
Yes,
I'm going to pick this up, drain the egg straight into that.
That's beautiful.
Stunning. And I'll continue here. And we're just going to fry these until they're nice and golden, and obviously that prawn meat will just set through on the inside and almost steam on the inside.
Exactly. It's so delicious. It's, as I said before, it's great for a dinner party or a canapé.
I think a perfect canapé dish. Imagine rocking up to a dinner party, you're walking through the door, someone's got a little glass of bubbles for you, someone's got a little beautiful spicy wasabi prawn little katsu sando.
That's right.
I mean, you couldn't be happier in my opinion.
So that's a perfect square.
Beautiful. Straight in.
Straight in.
Lovely. So we'll let these get nice and golden, Heather, and then really it's as simple as bringing it all together, waiting for it to cook.
That's right.
And then we can start assembling the sandos. All right, Heather, this looks incredible. Let's assemble these katsu sandwiches.
Yes.
I'm gonna leave this to you. I'm gonna watch the magic unfold.
You might see it disappear very quickly, Laura.
In my belly, that's where it's gonna disappear to.
We're going to put the tartare, so I don't think you need to butter the bread.
Yep, beautiful.
So it's very easy to assemble.
Beautiful.
So put the prawns, the
Yes.
katsu, ebi katsu,
Yes.
and as much or little of the tartare.
Do lots of
Do
the
lots?
tartare. Yeah.
So-
Well, especially with that beautiful wasabi in there, we're getting that authentic Japanese flavour come through from that wasabi into the tartare. So I feel like we want lots of that.
Yes, and
Yeah.
you can squeeze some more SMB
Okay.
wasabi. They're the
Okay.
pioneers of wasabi.
If you say I can, then I
Yes.
will. Beautiful. Lots of raw
Lots of-
cabbage for the extra crisp crunch.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
And then just let's assemble. Let you do the honors.
Oh gosh.
Cake cutting.
My mother would say that I failed kindergarten because I don't know how to cut in a straight line. So does that look about right to you?
I think so. Maybe
Okay.
more my end.
Oh, I see what you're doing here. You're trying to get more. All right, we're going to go straight down. Oh, listen to that crunch.
Oh, beautiful sound.
All right, you ready for the moment of truth?
Yes.
This is the money shot here. Look at
Oh,
that.
beautiful.
That perfectly set prawn, the beautiful tartare, the crispy cabbage. It looks so simple, but so much love has gone into this. Heather, one's for you,
Oh,
one's for me.
thank you. The Rolls Royce
Cheers.
of sandwiches.
Thank you.
Stand
Yum.
up. Yum.